Hi, I'm Hamid Abbasi, the co-founder and CEO of Pluto. Let's face it, running a business is hard, and one of the most challenging aspects of running a business is managing financial processes. According to a study done by US Bancorp, 82% of businesses fail due to poor management of cash flow and finances. At Pluto, we've experienced this frustration firsthand. That's why our mission is to build tools and insights you need to take greater control of your financial processes and access cash faster. That's why today, I'm really excited to announce our newest feature, credit card acceptance. By accepting cards through Pluto, not only your customers will have more convenient options to pay their invoices, but you can also get paid faster in as little as 2 business days compared to checks that could take up to 10 business days. And with our automation tools already available to you, you can further expedite your end-to-end financial processes, making it easier and faster to manage your cash flow. So try Pluto and start accepting payments today.